Hello language learners and welcome to Magna English. In the English language, we use prepositions to express time, movement and place. And in this video, we're going to look at 6 different prepositions of time and how you can use them in conversation. Using prepositions can be tricky, whether you're a beginner or an advanced level English speaker. There's a lot of them and trying to remember how to use them in the right context can be kind of confusing sometimes. That being said, there are a couple of rules that we can follow to indicate which preposition is correct. But the easiest way to actually learn your prepositions is to hear them in context and to use them yourself. Let's get started. The first preposition we're going to look at is on. Now we use on when we are referring to days of the week or dates. For example, when were you born? I was born on the 15th of January, 1987. What did you do on your birthday? I visited my family on my birthday. What days do you normally work? I usually work on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Hey, what are you doing on Saturday night? Ooh, on Saturday, I'm going down the pub to see some friends. Do you remember what you did on Friday night? No. The next preposition we're going to look at is in. Now we use in for quite a few things, including months, years, seasons, long periods of time, and parts of the day. Here's a couple of examples. Is your birthday in March? No, I've told you this a million times. My birthday is not in March, it's in January. What do you normally drink in the morning? I usually drink coffee in the morning, but I also like tea. What's the best time to visit England? The best time to visit England is in the summertime, when the weather's really good. There was an error in your business report yesterday. Sorry about that. I won't make the same mistake in the future. When are you going to start your new diet? I'll be starting my new diet in, maybe in 2 weeks? Maybe in 3 weeks, or maybe in 4 weeks. I don't know, we'll see. Our next preposition is at. Now we use at to be very, very specific. So we'll be using precise times of the day or precise times on the clock. Here's a couple of examples. What time do you normally wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. When did you get home yesterday? It wasn't too late. I got home at lunchtime. And how are you feeling right now? Well, at the moment, I'm feeling happy. What time do you want to go hiking tomorrow? I'd like to leave at sunrise, so make sure that you get a good sleep tonight. And what were you doing at noon yesterday? That is none of your business. The next preposition we're going to look at is by. Now we use by when we want to say before a certain time. So when we use by, we emphasize that there is a time limit and that something needs to be done before a specific time, date or day. Here's a couple of examples. What time do you need me to be at the airport? I need you at the airport by 4 a.m. What is the deadline for our thesis? Everyone has to submit their thesis by the end of February. When do you need that financial report done? I need that report finished by tomorrow morning. When should I book my flight? You need to book by June 13th. If you haven't booked by then, the offer will expire. Where is Adam? I haven't seen him all day. He's in London right now, but he'll be back by Friday afternoon. For our next preposition, we're going to look at for. We use the preposition for to describe a duration of time. So we use this preposition to describe how long someone has done something or how long something has been happening. It's all about the duration. Let's have a look at some examples. How long has he been on the computer for? Oh, he's been playing video games for 6 hours now. How long have you worked at your job? I've been working at this company for 3 years. How much longer will you stay in Spain? I'll be staying here in Spain for the rest of the week. What does the recipe say about cooking time? The recipe says you need to cook the chicken for 25 minutes. How long have you played rugby for? I've played rugby for a long time, since I was 10 years old. Our final preposition for this video is since, and I actually snuck since into the last example for. We use since to refer to a specific date or time in the past. Using either since or for can be kind of confusing for English learners sometimes, but if we follow these simple rules that for is used for a duration of time and since is used as the specific times, you should be just fine. Let's look at some examples of how to use since. How long have you had your driving license? I've had my driving license since 2005. When was the last time you saw her? I haven't seen her since August last year. How long have you been playing tennis today? Not long, since 2 p.m. You seem a lot more stress-free these days. What's changed? I've been feeling a lot more relaxed since changing my job. How long have you wanted to travel to Asia? I've wanted to travel to Asia since I was very young. Okay, and that's 6 prepositions of time. So I really hope this video has helped explain and show you some examples of these prepositions that you can go out and start using them yourself a bit more confidently. If this video has helped, it would be wonderful if you could leave a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel for weekly content. Additionally, if there's a specific topic of English learning that you'd like us to cover on this channel, let us know in the comment section below. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.